Hi everyone, I hope that all of you are really doing great. So in today's video what I will be showing you is a really cool trick, like if you are joining for an interview, or if you are preparing for interviews, or like applying for internships or job, then everyone should have their portfolio website. Now what is the portfolio website? First of all, portfolio website is a website where you showcase all the things of yourself, like your projects, about you, what you have done and all the stuffs. So that is known as a portfolio website, and everyone or every person should have that type of portfolio websites. So today what I will be showing you is like building your own portfolio website without a single line of code, and you will be building your own website after this video, and only within 10 minutes. Okay, and you will also be hosting that website freely in your GitHub account, and I will be showing you that how to host that website also for free of cost. And you can host multiple websites also in your GitHub, and I will be showing you the whole process. So just hit the like button if you are watching this video, and if you have liked this video, and subscribe to my channel, as because I am putting my effort from my side. So just to support me, you can subscribe my channel. I put regular content in this channel. So yeah, let's just start without wasting any time, right? So what you have to do is, first of all, open any of your browser, and then go to the search bar and search for Bootstrap Made. Okay, and the first link that opens up is the official Bootstrap Made website. Click on that website, and from here you can get maximum numbers of free website templates, because as I said you that we won't be doing any coding part. I would show you for without the codings, like how to make your own portfolio website, right? Now after opening this website, this is the official website. There are different templates here. You can select any of them like as you want, and today I will be showing you about your portfolio website. So just scroll down here. The third one is the you can see that here is my resume. So this one is good. I prefer you can use this one. So if you want to see the live demo, like how your website is going to look like, so click on live demo here. So it will open up the whole website, and it is fully responsive. Like if you open in your mobile or tablet or laptop, anything, wherever you open it, it will be fully responsive. Okay, so now you can see here it is coming Brandon Johnson and all this thing. He is a photographer about himself. Now what you have to do is you have to download this template and simply replace all the things, like you have to replace here your name, like here this default name is given, you have to change it to your name. Then after that then your skills you have to add here, and all the things. It will be looking like this, like when you will be sharing this website link, or you will be sharing this website to anyone, he can simply come here and can see about yourself, and this create a great impact for your interviewer, or if you are applying for a job or any position, like where you want to opt for, right? So first of all, what you have to do is click on free download here, and you the plans will come. Now as I told you, the whole thing will be totally free. So just come into the free version where it is here, and click on free download. So once you click on free download, it will start downloading. It will open up this type of pop-up. Click on save, and I have already downloaded, so I am not showing you this one, right? So after that, come into your folder section where you have downloaded that one. Now I can show you, this one is the zip file that I have downloaded. Now if you are not having a zip opener, then you can download WinRAR, which is used to extract zip folders. I am not showing that one. Just simply search anywhere and download that software so that you can extract the zip files. Now after that, click on extract, click on extract to, and then select a location where you want to. So I am selecting my downloads only, because this is the default one where I save this one. Now once you do that one, search where it has been saved. You can see my resume here, all the files have came up. And now if you click on index.html, now what is index.html? So if you don't know web development or anything about coding, so I'm telling you, like HTML is the basic skeleton of our website, through which our website opens up and all the things works actually. So this is the basic one, like in Chrome what you see, that is the HTML code only. Okay, so that is the HTML part. So click on that one, it will open up on your default browser. So you can see now this location is the file location of your default one, like where you have saved this website, right? means all the files. So you can see that once it had opened, the same thing has come into our local machine right now, right? But we have to host it to somewhere else. So you can see that Brandon, Johnson, and all the stuffs have came here. Like it is really cool, like home, about, and all these things are here, right? So you can see this one, that is it has came into a local file. Now what we have to do is like we have to change this one, right? Like we have to give our own name, our own profile description, and all these things. So first of all, what you have to do is now come into your GitHub account so that I can show you that how to host a website freely. And after that, I would show you how to make the changes. So if you have not created your GitHub account, you can see that video is already there in my channel with Android Studio. Don't download Android Studio, only install the GitHub from that one, right? So search for GitHub and your account will open up. Okay, you have to log in, and first thing that you have to do is you have to create a repository to host any website or something. First of you have to create a project. So you can see this side, click on this plus button, click on new repository, and it will open up this repository for you. Okay, now what you have to do is give the name. Now two things can be done. Okay, so let me show you one thing. Like I have hosted my portfolio website in GitHub only. This is my default portfolio website. You can see I have my name and all these things, right? So this is my default portfolio website, and I have not updated this one. It was means I made it long back, so I have not updated. Many things are not updated here. So you can see the link here. The thing for which I have taken you to here is that you can see a link of my name, that is my personal name of my GitHub account, and after that there is .github.io, right? So to create this thing, what you have to do is on this repository name, simply write your name, means the username that you have. You can see here, my case it is Rishav, and this one. So simply write same thing like Rishav, and then this one, the title, I have my username, right? And once you do this one, you will see this one I have already showed you, like creating a own personal readme file and decorating your GitHub, right? But to host the website in a link, so what you have to do is put a dot, after that write github.io. okay, now once you do this one, what will happen is it will create personal link with this one. Now if you change this name, now I have already created this one, means that I am showing you this one, right? So my one is already created, so it is showing to me that repository already exists in your account, right? So but in your case, if you have not made anything, so it will show you here a tick mark. So I am simply doing one thing, I am changing this one to 1. okay, and I am removing this this one. So I am creating a simple this one, because my one is already created, so I don't want to do anything with that one. So I'm creating a simple repository, and after that click on create readme. But in your case, I am telling you write the same thing, your username, then .github.io. do that thing, then only it will happen, else it won't be. Okay, so I have given a simple different name, and make it public, don't make it private. And after that create a readme file and click on create repository. So once you click on create repository, you will see that a default readme file has came in front of you. Now what you have to do is first of all go in the settings. You have to enable the GitHub pages. Now what is a GitHub page? Let me tell you a bit about it. GitHub page is like if you have simple website which doesn't has it backend, a static website simply, right? GitHub does is means what GitHub does is it hosts in the GitHub pages, means that is only known as GitHub pages. You can host any single static website in GitHub. So after that you will see in the settings, scroll it down a little bit. After scrolling, you will see here GitHub pages, right? Now in this GitHub pages, click on check it out here. Simply click on check it out here, and now you will see something like this. Now what you have to do is in the source, you have to select click on this one and select main branch. So that is the default main branch, and simply click on save. And once you click on save, what you will see is your site is ready to be published. Means my link is this one, but in your case it will be like this, simply this one. If you give the username .github.io, it will come a single link. But as I told you, you can host multiple websites. Like if you have made your portfolio website in this link, but you can also create other, means you can also host other website by in other links like the repository name, right? So now it is showing 404 because we don't have any HTML file in our code, right? So GitHub page is now enabled. Now whatever we will put it here, the thing will happen is it will come up. Okay, so now let me show you like how to edit changes in your code and how to write all the things and how to host it successfully right in the GitHub. So what you have to do is click on code here, and after that here is a clone code, right? So click on this button, it will be copied. Now this what you have to do is you have to download Git on your local machine. So if you have not seen the video, I am again telling that go and check my Android Studio installation with Git. There I have showed you how to install Git and how to work with GitHub. So go and check it out. If you have not downloaded, you must have to install your GitHub account. Means you have to install GitHub software in your PC. Now what you have to do is come on your folders and go to any of the folders, okay, and create a new folder. I prefer to create a new folder, okay, like I have my personal things here. So what I will do is I will right click on this one and I will do open with code, okay. Or if you don't have this option, what you can do is open your GitHub like this, then click on files, then you can go in the open folder section and you can open your folder. Okay, now where you want to save. Now what you have to do here is come on the terminal section, click on new terminal in the GitHub, okay, and after in the GitHub you open this one, here the terminal will open up, right? So simply write to clone the means to take your GitHub that repository to your local machine, click on git clone and paste the that code where what you copied, hit the enter, and once you hit enter it will show that cloning into that one and it will be downloaded in your GitHub, okay. Now what you can do is in the file section click on open folder, and now in the personal what I have is that one Rishav one, right? What I created is Rishav, this one, right? So select this one, select folder, and it will open your GitHub, this one, right? Now here you can see the readme file. By default that was there. Now here there are some tricks, so see it clearly so that you can have a clear understanding. So do one thing, come in this folder sections where you have downloaded, go there. Like in my case I showed you, here it is, my resume, right? And from here select three things, okay. First is assets, second is forms, then it is index.html, and the portfolio, okay. Right click on this one, click on copy. Now come into the part where you have done that one, that is Rishav, this one, right? This folder is, remember this thing, this folder have the readme, right? Means what happens, means what will happen here is the branch where you have cloned the GitHub repository, so you are pasting all the files here. Now close this one, and now if you open your GitHub you will see in this side all the things have came here, the assets, the forms, the index.html, the portfolio, right? Now open this index.html file and you will see a bunch of code here, right? So this is our HTML file, okay. So first thing you will see the name is there, right? You can scroll down, you can see Brand Johnson, this one, Brandon Johnson, right? So change it to your name. Like in my case I am giving it this one, and then this one is there, I am designer developer, so I am writing here this one, right? So you can change it to according to your wish, and that will be done, means the changes will be occur. And change all the things from here, like about you, like change all the things, like what other things are there, see in the p tag or in the h2, like if you know basics of HTML you can do this thing little bit, only change the things that are here. Or also you can do one thing, come here in the index.html to see it live, do one thing, reveal in file explorer, click on that one and double click on this index.html. So what will happen here is you will see that the things will be changing in front of you, and you can see that my name has been came here, then you can see I am a web developer, Android developer, I have changed. Come here down, see all the things change according to your like what you need, and after that change the images and all the things, right? So do it accordingly like what you want. I am not going to show the things because this thing you have to create on your own. Now without a single line of code, you have downloaded the template. You have to change only the parts where what you need to change. Now the main part, means the main thing is to push this folder, or you can say all the things that we added. So now simply what you have to do is come on this git icon. So here on this side you can see there is a git icon. Click on that icon. Now you will see there are many things, so don't think about that one. Here type a message. You have to for committing things, you have to write a message here. So just simply write initial. You can simply write initial and click on this tick box. Once you click, you will see there are no stack changes to commit. You would like to stack all, simply click on yes. So what will happen is all will be added to Git, and once you click on this one, you will see that everything has gone from this side. Now what you have to do is you have to push this code. Now it is being committed in your local machine. You have to push it to GitHub. Let me show you again the GitHub. So this is my repository, this one. I am refreshing it again. You can see nothing is there, right? Come in my GitHub, in my VS Code, then I have to push it. So in the same thing, come here in this 3 dots, simply click on push. If you click on push, and you have to connect your VS Code with this one. Now a pop-up will come to sign up. Okay, to sign up your GitHub account. Now say this thing carefully. You have to do it with the token. Now if you have watched my video of creating and downloading and installing Android Studio, there I have showed you that how to access your GitHub with token. So do one thing, simply your personal access token. So come into GitHub. For that you have to come into GitHub. Now once you come into this settings part, scroll it down a little bit, you will see developer settings. Now click on developer settings. What will open up here is GitHub apps, auth apps, and personal tokens. Click on personal tokens to generate a new token. Now you can see that my Android Studio is connected to this one, so it is showing. Now click on generate a new token this side, and simply you can add a note like you are adding VS Code, right? Okay, so what will happen here is your VS Code will be linked with this token. Okay, so and expiration date, as I told you, no expiration. Set it to no expiration, because every time then you have to change it like after 30 days or the time period you select. So better click on no expiration, and you have to select first four you have to select, and then you can click on generate token here. So it will be generated a token. So simply you have to copy this token from this side. So I will be blurring this one. So after that you have to come into this one, paste that token here, this one, and click on sign in. Now once you click on sign in, what will happen here is in your GitHub you will see that your code is now running, synchronizing its changes, and it will push all the things to your GitHub. Now once you sign up, GitHub will be linked and you can put all the things. So you can see that it has gone from this side. Now what you have to do is come into your Chrome or the browser from where you have logged into Git. You will see that it has updated 32 seconds ago. Click on it again, the thing that you have created, and you will see all the things have came up here. The index.html, portfolio details, forms, assets, and all the things. Okay, and what you have to do is now come into the settings, and then go into that one again, GitHub Pages, to get your link. Click on check it out here, and your site is published. So click on this link and it will open up the website for you. Here you can see that all the changes have been done, and it is coming my name, my all these things. And now change all according to you, what the things goes for you, change it like that. And the thing is that you have successfully hosted your website for free, and it is really awesome, right? So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, because I have showed you this trick. So you should subscribe my channel, right? And like the video, because many of you are seeing these videos of GitHub and you're not subscribing. And also one more thing, check out my Android development tutorials, that are also good. So you can go and check that out here. I would be providing you in the end of this video. Okay, so you have successfully created your account, means you're hosted your website, right? So this is my website. I have not updated it for a long time. I have to update this one also. And one more thing, you can see the link here that that is coming. First it is this one, and then it is coming the repository name that I gave. But if you create your first time, so it will come like this only, and you can share it to anyone and it will work perfectly. And so that is how you can change your host your website and change accordingly, like from time to time as you add things, right? So that is all for today's video. If you have liked this one, again I'm saying subscribe my channel, like this video, share it to your friends so that they can also create their own portfolio website. So bye bye, I will see you in the next video. Till then,